This is going to be a very quick and simple to prepare dish because you're going to put everything in this one pan and bake it. And it's a spinach frittata. So I'm starting with a small round like cake pan, and this less circumference or diameter the thicker your actual wedge will be, and maybe the longer it will have to cook. So the spinach frittata is meant to take the place of, say, quiche. It's going to have a lot less calories, but it would be something that you would serve for lunch. And I would recommend serving this. We're going to divide it in 4 when it's done, and each piece will have 70 calories. And I advise you, or recommend, that you serve it with a salad, a tossed salad, which doesn't have any protein added. This is your protein. So lettuce, tomatoes, mushrooms, red onions, other vegetables, carrots. Not cheese, not croutons, not eggs, not more meat, okay? Just, it's a side salad. And then maybe some berries, strawberries, blueberries. That would be an awesome lunch to serve. Even if you had guests, it would be beautiful. So, that being said, I've already done some of the prep work. I have heated the oven to 350. I'm spraying this pan with non-fat butter flavored spray. I want to make sure I get the size. I don't want the eggs to stick. On the bottom, I'm putting in about 1/4 or 1/8 of a diced onion and 1/4 of a yellow pepper. And I cut them up small, and I want to spread them out evenly in this pan. Actually, I didn't spread them out evenly, so I might just going to adjust it with my hands. And then the egg goes in next. I wanted to use just this regular better than eggs, but the store didn't have any more, so I had to get the egg whites. I don't normally buy the egg whites. And I've mentioned before that I buy these products because I can't eat a dozen eggs. I want to tell you something though. The equivalent of this 1.5 cups of egg beaters, so to speak, would be 2.5 eggs. Now, if I had broke 2.5 eggs into this glass, it would probably come to here. So there's a lot less calories because there's less fat, I guess, less cholesterol in this product. So, onions and yellow pepper, and you can put anything in here, any vegetables. Red peppers you could put, or mushrooms, or whatever you like. So, pouring the egg in here. And now I'm going to spread out the spinach, and this was just frozen spinach, a cup of it. I want to be mindful of where I'm placing it so it will be evenly distributed. And I'm going to start off baking it for 15 minutes and take a look. Obviously, you want to cook it until the egg is set. So that's what you watch for. My spices are basil, a couple of shakes there, and powdered garlic. In retrospect, if I were you, I would put the basil and the powdered garlic in after you put the vegetables, before you put the egg. I think because it's sitting on top now. But that's okay, it shouldn't hurt too much. Now I have a 1/4 cup of fat-free Kraft shredded mozzarella. So I also want to get that evenly. Pan. And like I said, this whole thing will have about 70 calories each when we divide it in 4. So about 280 calories for the whole 280 calories for this whole thing. Isn't that what some of those lean cuisine meals are? 280 calories? Imagine that. Okay, so that's it. Not a lot of hard work for this one. I'm going to bake it, like I said, for 15 minutes and then check on it. And I will let you know how many minutes I ended up cooking it and show you the finished product. Until then. Okay. I cooked it for a little bit over 30 minutes, or around 30 minutes at 350. It was looking beautiful. I was a little bit concerned about the very center not being done enough, so I left it in a little bit longer. I think it looks lovely. Walking in, can you see it? I'm going to let it cool, and then I will cut it, like I said, into 4. It'll be like a large piece of quiche. And then, you know, just use a spatula to take out the pieces. And like I said, serving this with a fresh side salad and some strawberries, blueberries, fantastic. And for you do it, put the spices in before the eggs. So, yay. I am pleased with my frittata.